Today I saw someone comment in my video say face reveal. If someone wants me to face reveal, like and subscribe please. I really need. I can't keep it anymore. I don't want to keep it. You don't hurt me. I'm Rainbow Prince 162. It accidentally get hacked. Today's because there's a virus. If there's some ads but you're not in the ad game, that means you get hacked. So delete it all and install some that you didn't use in cleaner.
Atin Lord,
right
ayo di
now.
pong ka.
Okay, in 3. Okay, 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now I'm gonna fix it. Me the whole time, guys.
May lane tayo. I-clear mo muna dalawang wave na. Dra ka lang gid. Sa lane mo. Dra ka lang sa lane mo.
I remember my classmate. Call my stuff. My videos cringe.
Maybe sa lane lang.
Cringe and make me and laugh at me. And don't subscribe to Melba, please.
Huwag kang umalis sa lane mo.
Okay,
Yan ang
I'm gonna set my favorite song. Stay with me. Stay. Don't leave us, stay with me. Yes, I can breathe, Stay with me. All of that. If you me, I could go you all alone.
Ayo di puta Castigo na naman yung puta la silbi yung.
I forget them too. Oh.
Okay na may, okay na.
Stay with me. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye. Okay, wait. Let's continue soon.